Myself, Anand Balachandran. I am a C3-C4 spinal cord injured person. I don't have movements in my arms. So one of the challenges is that I can't access the emergency switch. So currently, how the solution I use is a voice activation with my phone. Like I use my phone as a voice activated emergency switch, which I use to call somebody from the next room or anyone. So let me show you how to use it. Hey Google, call mommy.
Calling Ayama Mummy, mobile.
Thank you.
Break Free Solutions brought to you by eiLabs and Project Discovery.